Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Welcome to the seventh section of online tutorial Universitas Terbuka. Thanks for your opportunity to speak with you all. Back with me, Pak Zakaria Bintang, in the class of English for Translation. In this session, we will discuss and study about language feature and grammatical structure of historical recon text. Anyway, historical recon text is a text that used to explain and retell a factual event in the past that has historical value. In this part of the lesson, we will also discuss about several types of conjunction and also conditional sentence. Hopefully, all will be valuable for you, and please be active on the discussion forum. Remember, avoid any kind of plagiarism. Thank you so much and good luck. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.